Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and on this guide I'm going to show you how you can download a free extension Chrome in order to know which platform every website is built with. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to know which platform every website is built with, you have to download the Chrome extension that's called Wappalyzer. So if you search for the website, this is their website. Of course, they have other features and products that you can pay for, but this is a free Chrome extension. So just search for the Wappalyzer Chrome, and here you can find on the Chrome Web Store that you can download and pin the Chrome extension right here after you have installed it, of course. So just pin it right here and you will see this option that you can click on, and then go inside any website that you want just to figure out on which technology or platform the website is built with. So for example, this is my website. I just click on that and I can see that it is built with WordPress. Also the other technologies and plugins that this website is using, like analytics, Sitekit, SEO, live chat, and so on. I can see all of the technologies and even plugins that this WordPress website is using. Now, if I'm going to another website, for example, Facebook, which of course is not a WordPress site, and I click on that, I can still see the programming languages and security, web frameworks, and so on that this specific website is using. So every website, you can see his technologies and how it's built with any code that his website is using. So this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to use the Wappalyzer in order to know which platform every website is built with. If you have any more questions, you can write it down in the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment I put anything more full on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.